Happy Saturday. I'm looking a little crazy right now. Q and I just deep cleaned the apartment. She's looking great. Looking better than me, goddamn. And I've got like a full little Saturday today. It's funny because I was sitting here and I'm like, I'm kind of bored. Anyways, just finished the moving vlog. If you guys want to check that out, it is live. All the tea for what went down during the move and why I moved into Quincy's place and what the plan is and etc. is all on that vlog. So anything, if you're like, wait, why is she in Quincy's place right now? I answered all your questions all in one video, just for you. You're freaking welcome. I'm meeting up with my friend Amber, who is a fellow content creator here in Dallas. She's super sweet. A little bit later today, to go film some content around the city. So I thought, why not take you guys with me? You can see what we do. It's so much fun to do it with another person, especially a fellow content creator, because you don't really need to tell them how to hold the camera or how to take the photo or whatever. It's just so, they're like point and shoot. They just know, you know what I'm saying? They just know. It's also what we love to do. So this is one of my favorite things on the planet, is to get together with friends and get like dressed up and glammed up and go take pretty pictures. I literally did this when I was a kid. I would have tea parties. I'm gonna see if I can find some photos. But I would have tea parties and I would make all my friends dress up and we'd hang out for the day. It was so awesome. So anyways, I'm just living my childhood dream, I guess. Okay, I wanna show you guys what I'm trying to do. This is Lola Liner. I've been following her for a hot minute. She makes it look so easy. It better be this easy. Watch.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Does she have step-by-step? No. Love to see it. Okay, it's fine. It's incredible. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm trying to concentrate, sorry. I'm literally not a makeup person, okay? I love it, but I'm not a guru. I'm just a normal human. Smudging the living daylights out of this. Oh man, this looks good. I hope this looks like a wing on camera, because it's a wing in real life. Did I do this right? Oh my god. To say the least, I did not figure this shit out at all. Trust me, I've been blending for a hot minute. I'm gonna give up and try to do something else. Okay, so this is the final look for this audition / content shoot. I decided to do something abnormal with my hair, so I crimped it as best as I could. My hands started cramping like a mother, so I gave up. But this is the final result. And I don't know if I want to show you the back, because I don't know how good the back looks. I use my phone to look, but it's not as good as a mirror, and I don't have a mirror with me, so anyways.
$80. 4 times. And it was when I was parking at, yo, they got cameras over there like that?
Parking where?
Parking by Bottle Blonde.
Oh, what?
In the parking lot though. I'm in the parking lot.
That's where you're supposed to be.
Exactly. And I don't remember not parking there. I don't remember parking there and not paying.
Because you were only there for like 2 hours. You came home so fast.
Yeah, I was there for an hour. It shows it. I was there for like an hour.
And they charged you $80?
80 bucks. They have it. Oh, right here. Same address. Well, I don't know what that was. Same address. Same address. And they're all like late.
Can you dispute that?
I'm so confused why I'm getting charged.
I am too. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna go lay out some outfits and then do this audition. Peace. So this is the true chaotic mess. The only outfit that I have down pat is this one. This is the Abercrombie Curve Love faux leather pants, aka they're vegan leather. Roll over to a top. This is a little chain neck. What are you doing here? Sorry, we just did laundry. Chain necklace from Mishki, Amazon Sunnies. I don't even remember where the hell these came from, but I might do those or I might do these because the color is almost damn near the same for this trench coat. I would love to slick back bun with this look, but I've crimped my hair and we're gonna commit to this crimped look. So I also really want to incorporate one of the new bodysuits that I just got from Mishki. So I'm wearing this backless one, but I haven't figured out the fit yet. It might not even be this one. It might just be the blue one. I want some color. Second outfit may be this one. No bra, your girl's taking risks, okay? I haven't figured out I have not figured out the accessories yet. Probably gonna do something silver. But these white boots, I just treated myself to from Steve Madden. Y'all, I'm not kidding. I have been saving money like you would not believe. But then I saw these boots and I was like, I don't have any white boots. So I was like, I've been taking pictures and sending it to my friend Amber. Like, how about this? What about this? What about this? We're sending inspo shots and like inspo IGs to each other. This is our favorite thing to do. We need to get together, she and I, and do a vision board so it can be my screensaver. That'd be so fun. We want to do that. She's about to leave for Paris, so that might be like a month later or something. I'm actually gonna try this fit on just to make sure that it looks good, because you never know. It might look good right here, but you know what I'm saying? Have you ever put it on in real life and you're like, oh my God, like what was I thinking? Literally same. Wow, I just put this top on because if I put on the t-shirt top, it gets makeup all over it. So it's like you put it on when you're ready to shoot in it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not one of them ones that goes on and off. But this might be the vibe. I'm definitely gonna go with this brown shoe because it's just different. It stands out. The glasses are a vibe. We're gonna imagine some necklaces here, some gold. It's a vibe. Okay, so outfit one down. I don't know about anything else. I haven't figured anything else yet. I really want to do an all black look. I only wanted to put one shoe on. I'm the laziest when it comes to styling. It's so funny too because it all comes together so well. I am pretty good at putting shit together in my head, and when I fail, I am like, like that's literally my face. I'm like, Alisha, are you okay? Anyways, I think I'm sick, it's like obsessed with this. And this may be, I like the hair down, but this may be a look that I want to have an absolute greased, like slick back bun for. So I'm gonna bring my hair shit just in case. We'll see. I mean, this is a vibe, but so is a slick back bun. Chunky necklace that I had 7 years ago, and I kept it because I was like, it's gonna come back in style. Don't ask me how I knew. I think this is gonna be my all black look. So I'm bringing 3 looks. We agreed on 2, and I'm like, what? You gotta bring more. You never know what's gonna happen, you guys. Okay, this is the final version of look 1. I always leave the house wearing at least one of my looks so that it's one less thing for me to change into. And then I have a bag here that has like hair, a little bag here. It's a makeup bag. So I've got touch-up stuff in here, concealer, beauty blender, pressed powder, a little brush. This is my hair stuff in case I want to do a slick back bun. I've got the goods for it. I have sunglasses in here as well. I don't really need to put them in there. But anyways, I have a makeup bag. I always pack a little mini hair and makeup bag. I always have a big bag that has my shoes and my purses. Actually, I'm going to put that back in its little case so it keeps it safe. And then this is how I hang the fits. I usually just try to keep everything in one hanger. And if I have accessories, I hate loud cars, you guys. I hate them. And then like a jacket, I'll usually just put the accessories in the pocket so I can't really lose it, or wrap the necklace around the shirt top like this. So that's how everything is packed and ready to go. Now all I got to do is get my tripod and camera, and we are out here. Let's freaking go. Before I go, lotion. You never know if you're gonna do a hand shot and your cuticles are cakey, something's off, like, or a leg, like if your legs and knees are ashy, girl, you never know. Changing in the car will do things to your skin, okay? So I always pack lotion. Are we recording? Yeah. Hello. Are we in the right one? It's better be in the right one.
It's actually a little too warm for this vest.
Here we go. Fake it till you make it. That's what I do. Take it off when you're not shooting. This is Amber. Hi. Hi. She is the most aesthetic content creator in Dallas. Okay, you and my friend Alesia are so aesthetic. I aspire to be like them. It's annoying. Anyways, she's my fave. My fave. Alright, let's get to work. That way, the camera's gonna be next to me. I'm terrified someone's just gonna take it.
So I'm gonna do a video first. So just kind of like move around and stuff. So I'm gonna do like a couple of videos, and then I'm gonna like stop and take pics and stuff. come from, not that pillar, but come from that side. Yeah, so just scoot over to the other pillar, yeah. Open up your coat on the left side.
Come here, Amber. Here, you guys. I'm trying to be aesthetic, okay? This is real life. This is what I took. This is me thinking like this is, okay, that's pretty aesthetic. That's nice. This is Amber. Look at this girl work. Show them what you see versus what I see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so much better.
I want them to see my nudes.
Yes, kidding. Show the nudes.
Oh wait, maybe that's better?
Oh yeah, you can see it. See, look. Stop.
Well, we also have two different vibes, kind of.
Yeah, but that's the vibe that I'm aiming for, which is annoying.
Oh, okay, well, let me show you. Look, okay.
Oh my god, yeah. Wait, show
Look.
us, yeah.
Okay, so what I usually do is I always open up my settings in my phone down here. And my biggest thing is exposure. So like if you're wanting, especially when the light's golden and warm like this, I always drop the exposure, and it kind of, if you get the lighting hitting in the right spots, you get like that gold, warm, I don't want to say moody. It's not moody, but it kind of is, I guess.
Yeah.
And then if you want it like more bright and like a high saturation.
So this is different than the sun, moving the sun around, right?
Yeah, this is your exposure. This is going to be your brightness. So that's different.
That makes so much more sense.
Yeah, so that's brightness. This is going to be exposure. So yeah, they're not the same thing. And then also too, another thing, like, so let's just take a picture of this stand.
How do you figure out how to crop it like that?
Crop what?
I don't know. Like you just see it differently than I do. You feel me?
Yeah, I take pictures in both views.
Okay.
I would always say
she's zooming into 3 and 1.
Yeah, so I always say it's better to have more than less.
Yeah.
And then you go through it later and figure it out. So I'm that person that will just shoot.
Yeah.
And then, yeah. So say one of my other favorite things on here is, so once you take the photo, go to edit. And I love like the brilliance. I don't even know if I'm saying that right.
Brilliance.
But yeah. But it just kind of like enhances the photo a little bit more. Like, so this makes it more like brighter and crisp. This makes it a little darker. Okay. And then my other favorite one is black point. I think a lot of people like don't use
they
this.
sleep on that for sure.
But like just to intensify the blacks, like does that, and then if you decrease it, it kind of gives not a film vibe, but it takes out, it gives it like a more of a film kind of look. But those are my favorite things that I like to use. So like now, go take your photo.
All right, you see, go follow her, like for the love.
Go try it now. And I also like shooting in 3 because it like.
To have you airdrop them to me, because I was gonna be like, yeah, you're gonna use to me that way. All right, now we're gonna take some photos. I've got to pee. right, home sweet home. This is what I'm wearing to game night. Cheerleader. Okay, my leg is hurt. We're off to Alesia's and Danny's. I'm about to take Finny out. Fin, come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, when have you gotten so big? Yeah? You've been eating good, huh? Look too good. I think you're closer to 40 pounds instead of the old 37. You just a big fat boy. Yeah. Oh, my arms hurt so bad. Quincy's been working me out. One of these days we'll take you to the gym together, but he was trying to get me to do push-ups not on my knees like the regular way. My arms were not having it, and neither was I.